Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply coupon on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that, you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT. And right above of this chart, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. So you need to click over there, and once you hover on your username, you can see account and billing options on in the screen. So once you click on it, you will be redirected to the another page where you can see upgrade now option. You need to click over there, and now another tab will be open. Now you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the pay now option. So you need to click on that option. And now you will be redirected to the Premier Plan page where you need to click on next, again next. Now right after that, you can see they have a promo code option. You need to click on there, and now you need to enter your promo code and you'll be able to apply coupon on TradingView successfully. So basically this is how you can apply coupon on TradingView, and if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.